Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get internet out to your metal building, your steel building, shed, whatever it is. I have trouble getting a signal, especially on days like today where it's cold and windy, and so I have the doors closed. I just don't get a signal very good in my shop. I usually use my phone's Wi-Fi hotspot to work on all my devices, but that's just not cutting it anymore. So what I'm gonna do is install some Netgear power line adapters. So I'm gonna go show you what I have. So this is what I purchased here. It's a Netgear power line 500. Basically it comes with these two devices that you plug into your wall, and you are going to take your Ethernet cable and plug it directly into the power line, and plug this into the wall, directly into the wall, not into a power strip or anything like that. And so what's going to happen is the signal is going to go from Ethernet's going to go into here, and then it's going to transfer all the data and everything to the other plug that you put into your shop or garage or metal building, in my case, or wherever you want that to, where you want to get Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is plug one of these into the wall. I'll add the Ethernet cable, and then we'll go do the same thing over in my shop. Got it plugged in. Sorry, the light's a little bright there. You can see all the lights are on. I got the Ethernet cable running. Excuse that mess. It's running over here to my router. And we're gonna go set up, or check out the setup in my shop. Here is the other adapter in my shop here. I've got the cable running off, going over to this router. I'm probably gonna clean this up a little bit and move the router up a little higher, maybe up here on that shelf. But everything is working well. You simply just go into your network settings, type in the password, and you should be good to go. So anyway, this is a super easy, quick job. I mean, it took me 10 minutes to do this, and now I get perfect signal in here, and it's like super windy. You can hear the wind blowing the door. Have my doors shut. Don't have to worry about not getting a signal through the metal building. So anyway, hope this helped out. You guys have a good one.